To start off a new week of trading, at the open SPY tested 493 support, then broke out below, running down to the 490 support level. The 490 put entered at 15 cents and closed at 87 cents would have generated a profit of 480%. After reversing at the 490 support level, SPY run up through the 491 and 492 levels up to test the 493 level, then eventually continuing up to the top at 494. The 492 call entered at the 490 support level at 35 cents and closing at the top at 494 for $1.75 would have produced another profit of 400%. Finally, at the end of the day in the final minutes, with SPY testing 493 support, it broke through and ran down to 492 support, resulting in another 480% profit for the 493 put bought at 12 cents and sold at 70 cents. A nice way to end the day. Looking forward to tomorrow and new opportunities to day trade SPY options, which have a limited risk and huge unlimited profit potential each and every trading day. This video is for entertainment and education purposes only and is not intended as personal investment advice. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you would like to see more videos like this. Chart courtesy of TradingView.com.